Education, Computer Technology, and its application for schools. And part 2 he is going to do. Now let us listen from Thameem Ansari. Yes, sir. Thameem, sir.
Yes, sir. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum.
Okay. So this is a continuation of what we saw last week. Okay, so last week, can someone update what was the learning that we did last week? A quick refresher kind of thing. Right. So we created an interactive application to enhance the learning potential of students. Okay. So last week, this particular application, Luminout Education, it had some issues. So the first session was not active. So we switched on to the matching pairs. Okay, the cards, two kind of cards. I mean, which have similar things. Today, we got 22 minutes. I'll see how much I can cover. I planned two things today. So one is arithmetic quiz and the other is jigsaw puzzle. Okay. So what we have to do is we'll have to log in. We'll have to first access this particular website, lumi.education. Okay. So far it's free. I've been using it for a couple of months. So far it's free and you can publish it online and you can share it with all your students and other stakeholders. So once you log in, once you access this, you will have a login and sign up page. Okay, so this is a basic awareness or probably the initial setup for people who have joined only today. Okay, so if you are accessing this for the first time, you will have to sign up and you have multiple options to sign up. Okay, it's very simple and easy. You can sign in with your Google ID. Okay, that's the best. And one tip that I wish to give to all teachers is create a new ID or probably uh, a different email ID for all this purpose. Do not use your personal email ID because there will be a lot of contents and updates that will flood your inbox because you will be registering with lot many websites for pictures or for free videos, and there are a lot of things that will come into your inbox. So try to have a separate email ID for this particular purpose so that it will not impact your other professional or personal messages. Okay. So create an email ID and then you can, once you have signed up, okay, you will be able to have this option called as login with Google. And once you log in with Google, you will have this particular page. Okay, so this would be the first page. Okay, it'll ask you for subscription. As I've told you, it's free so far. Okay, so let's continue to use it, whatever is free. Okay, and navigate to the content option. Okay, let me hide this. Okay, so navigate to the content option. So whatever content you have created and developed, that will be available here. And now we are going to create a new content. Okay, so click on this. Click create new content. Okay, so depending upon your internet and bandwidth speed, the web page will load. Okay, and last week I was about to help you with this arithmetic quiz, so we'll try this option today. Okay, so let's see if it, alhamdulillah, so it loads quick. Okay, addition. Okay, this will help you. Just some basic information. Okay, for time constraints, I will reduce this to 5. Okay. You can have n number of questions based on your requirements. Okay, so these are information and these are uh, the messages that you want the students to experience. I mean, when they do this or when they plan this or when they access this application. Okay, the first thing what you do is you can just give a title. Okay, maybe it could be for addition for 6th standard or 7th standard or anything. Okay, and a basic information on how to use this. And there are two options here: arithmetic operation quiz and linear equation quiz. And you have four options here: the basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so we'll go with addition. The best part is this will randomly create the set of numbers. Okay, so we don't have to input the numbers. This will automatically and randomly create a set of numbers. So click on save. Okay. Okay, so your arithmetic quiz is saved now. Okay, click on start. So this will how the interface will be for students. So what is 9 plus 48? 12 plus 7. Okay, so I've deliberately clicked on a wrong number, a wrong answer. Okay, it shows me the right answer. Okay, okay, it says 2 of 5. So I've created two sums. I've correctly answered two questions. Okay. So are the questions same? Not, I think. Okay. So after you have done with this and after you have tested and if everything goes well, click on deployments. Click deploy content. Save. You will have three options. One is you can directly share the link or you can embed the code like how I did with my blog, and you can share this QR code also. Okay. Okay. So probably some of you can toggle screens and check if this works for you. All right. So once you're done with this, let's move on to the next planned content, jigsaw puzzle. I have 15 more minutes. Okay, so what's the process? I click on content and click on add content, create a new content, and type the first three characters of the app that you want to use. Okay, jigsaw puzzle. Click on this. Okay, so like how the previous speaker is, his base was chemistry, and even I'm a chemistry student. Okay, I did my UG chemistry and PG biochemistry. So I've selected a picture from the chemistry subject. Okay. Okay, so this is the lifeline for any chemistry student. Okay. You just have to click on jigsaw puzzle and type periodic table or what is the name of that particular picture. Okay, and click on add image. Okay, to save time, I have already downloaded the image. Okay, so there's a colorful and vibrant periodic table. Okay, it's uploaded. Ensure that the file or the image that you download is in PNG or JPG format. Okay. So if you check this, this is PNG file and this is PNG file and this is also a PNG file. So only these kind of files will work. Otherwise, JPG format files will work. There are a few other options called as web file, WEP. Okay, web file. So that will not work in this application. Okay. So this is for people who are visually challenged. Okay. So once they hover their mouse on this image, they will get the information as periodic table. Okay, so you can select how many tiles you want, like how many pieces you want. So 4 by 3 means it will have 12 pieces. Okay, so let's make it 5 by 3, 15 pieces, or let it be 4 by 3 itself. Okay, if you want sound, you can activate sound. Okay, the drag and drop. Okay, so all that will be available. You can download sounds from Bend Sound. Okay, that's a website which offers you free sound and you have free VFX. Okay, so that's also a website which can give you sound effects. Okay, so sorting space. Okay, so what is the space that you want? Text overrides. Okay, so you can explore all this. We are getting close to the end of the session. So let me save this first. Okay. So Alhamdulillah, the file is successfully saved. Let's do a preview. Okay. No, this will come here. Okay. So once you place the right tile into that right space, you will not be able to move it. Okay. No, this will not fit here. This has to be here. Okay. All right. So let's move ahead and deploy this. Click on deployments. Click on deploy content. Periodic table. Save. Okay, I think last week we saw hotspots also, right? Okay, so I've copied this. Okay. Did the previous link work for anyone, the arithmetic puzzle? Were you able to access it? So I'll give you some 2 minutes time. Okay, just click on this link and open up in a new browser and check if this link works and if you're able to access the jigsaw puzzle. It's already copied. Let me go to and Alhamdulillah. So new incognito window. Okay, so it gives you the picture and then it goes to that puzzle mode. Okay, so periodic table. All right, so we have successfully created this, Alhamdulillah. So let me repeat this once again with another picture. Okay, so click on overview. Again, click on content, add content, create a new content. Type the app that you want. And for people who have logged in only today, this has close to 70 or 71 set of apps. Okay, you can explore each and every one at your leisure and you can create applications that matches your subject or requirement. Okay. So jigsaw puzzle. I think I downloaded animal cell. This plant cell. Sorry. So this time I've selected 6 by 4. Let's see how complex the image is. So it's very simple. I typed a title. Okay. I uploaded a message, an image. Okay. And an alternative text for the image, hover text. Okay. And the number of puzzles I want. So now this will be 24 pieces. And sound settings, if you want, I mean, these are optional. Sound and all these are optional. To make it more entertaining, you can use all these options. Click on save. Okay, click on deployments. All right, so first let's see how it works. Okay, so go to the view option and see how it works. Okay, so this actually looks like a jigsaw puzzle, because the more number of puzzles, the more challenging it would be. Okay, so this is set. Apparatus, Golgi apparatus. So what do you think would be the benefit of making these kind of applications for children to use? Yeah. Will this help in identifying the objects or the pictures? Will this help in memorizing things? What do you think? Okay, so it works well. Click on deployments, deploy content. Okay, plant cell jigsaw, save, copy. So you can try this, and I think we've got 5 more minutes. Let's see what other thing we can do in 5 minutes.
Only smart board teachers can use this one.
Smart board also, yes. Once they develop an app, they can upload this on the smart board, and they can ask children to do it in the classroom itself. So they can educate the students in the classroom, and later, once the students are familiar with these kind of activities, the teachers can create multiple contents and forward that through their portal that they use for their schools, or they can share it through WhatsApp, email, or any other option. Even SMS works, provided the end user has a system or a mobile phone where they can access this. When we have students, I mean, who are spending time, or the screen time is for unwanted activities, teachers can use these kind of activities to make the screen time beneficial.
For smart board, those classes which are not having smart board, they also can use this app.
Yes, yes. This is I'm using this in the laptop. So any system, any desktop, or any laptop, any multimedia device can access this. You have flash card. So this would be pretty easy and simple. Okay, so this is jumble words. Okay. Okay, so quickly give me set of words on the chat box. So let me update this over here. Or shall we try with whatever is available here? Jumble words, find the words from the grid, word list 1, 2, 3. education project. Okay, so let's try with these. Okay, so I've got class as well. What was the other one? Project class. Good. Thank you, Gulfisha Khan, student. Okay. Right. So we'll freeze with this. Save. View. Okay, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alhamdulillah. So 12. So class, okay, correct. 3. Okay, so where is my favorite? Okay, we've got project. Okay, yeah. Hydrogen as it is lighter. That's excellent. Okay, so it goes from down to up. Mashallah. Okay. We have got EDU. No, it's not here. Education. Okay, so let's go to deployments. Okay, deploy content. Word building, click on save, copy. Excellent, wonderful. Thank you, Sister Jennifer. Lithium is the last line. Okay, so try this, and if you want to copy this and upload this on your blog, okay. Okay, so go to a blog. Okay, so click on new post. Click on new post. Okay. This is word building. This is word building test. Okay. Click on this HTML view and paste this iframe thing. ICT. Okay. And publish. Okay. So now oh, okay. So I've shared the website link also with you. Now let's go and access this on a new tab and see how this works. Okay. So I'm already in a incognito tab. Okay. So word building test. Okay. So I've got the list here. Time spent 0, 0 found. Okay. Okay. I think every time it changes. So education is highlighted here. Lithium. Okay, so lithium is here. So previously, as sister said, it was on the last line. Now this is in the middle. So let me see where my hydrogen is. Okay, so hydrogen is in the center. So 3. Okay, so Alhamdulillah. So we are able to access, and when I check this particular website, if you go to a paid version, you'll be able to collect the name of the participant, and you can have a report as well. Okay, so Salim sir, give me some 2 minutes additional because Maulana took some time from me. Okay, I'll show you the report also because that will complete this particular option. Okay, so can I request some of you to access this link so that we can have some good number of reports and insights. Okay, take some time, 30 seconds time, click on the link, at least try to access two, three options there. Okay, so I've got okay, I think once you complete, then we will have the report, it seems. So let's take some time and complete it. Potassium. Please take some time and complete it. We got 12 words. We have project, student. There was class also, right? So class is CLASS. So class is done. We have three. Three is here. We did have one also. Helium. We have two here. How many? I need to complete only two. Okay.
Plain sodium, sir.
Below sodium, is it? And sodium. One and sodium. Yeah, sodium is here. SODIUM. Sodium, where is one? ONE. Yeah, one is here. Okay, so I did it and I got a star. Now let's check the reports. Insights, reports. Has anyone else completed? Previous content போய் பார்க்கலாம் நம்ம அதுல ரிப்போர்ட்ஸ் ஏதாச்சும் வருதா அப்படின்னு ஓகே ஸோ ஏதோ நேம் இல்லாம நமக்கு வருது ஸோ மேபி ஐம் நாட் ஷுர் பிகாஸ் ஐவ் நாட் பேட் இட் ஸோ தேவை அப்படின்னாக்கா போய்க்கோங்க ஸோ தெர் இஸ் நோ அப்ளிகேஷன் ஆன் மீ ஆன் எனி ஆஃப் தி பேமெண்ட் தட் எனி ஒன் டஸ் த்ரூ திஸ் வெப்சைட் ஓகே பட் அவசியம் இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஏன்னா கிளாஸில் இருந்ததுக்கப்புறம் ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு லேர்னிங்க்கு தான் இது ஸோ பேமெண்ட் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச அவசியம் இல்லை ஓகே ஸோ ஐ ஹோப் Alhamdulillah, so already I received one message. Let me see who that was. Before lithium, there is two. Thank you, Jazakallah khair. Okay. Yes, it's from my mentor itself. Alhamdulillah, very useful. Thank you, Nazar sir, for your compliment and feedback. So try this, and if you experience any issues, you can reach me out through the coordinator, and I'll be in a better position to support you. Okay, I hope this was very helpful for all the teachers, and inshallah, let's meet next week with some different option or different app. Jazakallah khair, and I thank Omid for this opportunity. And before I close, we have a regular morning meeting from Monday to Friday. So I request all the teachers and other participants who have joined today to come for the morning meeting as well, because we've got a lot of interesting and exciting speakers who share a lot of insights from their own experience, and that is beneficial for the teachers as well as students. And you can participate in that as well. Jazakallah khair.
Thank you very much, Thameem Ansari sir.
Yes, sir.
Very informative message you have given. These
Alhamdulillah.
things, nearly 50 teachers are there. So this 50 minds you have ignited, and the light will go to more than 500 and more students. So
Alhamdulillah.
that they have to practice these things and see how interesting it is. So students also will feel very involved, very active, and they will also much benefited from these apps. First,
Inshallah.
our teachers have to use it at home, practice it, and then they can apply it in their classroom. So thank you very much, Mr. Thameem Ansari Saab. We are very fortunate to listen such a technical person, and in future also we like to listen more from you. With this, the
Amen.
program comes to an end. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.